afternoon. Let me introduce myself. My name is Elizabeth Soto from class 11A. Now I want to tell you a story about the ant and the dove. Once upon a time, a very thirsty ant was drinking water from the river. Suddenly, the ant lost his balance and fell into the river water. "Help! Help! Help!" cried the ant. But no one could hear his cries. A dove, sitting on a tree nearby, saw that the ant was in trouble. She quickly plucked a leaf from the tree and dropped it into the water. The ant climbed on the leaf. He thanked the dove for saving his life. After a few days, the dove sitting on the tree, the ant saw a hunter aiming his arrow at the dove. The ant knew that his friend the dove was in danger. He quickly bit the hunter's leg. The hunter cried in pain. The hunters around missed the dove. This time, the ant saved the dove. The dove thanked for the ant for saving her